In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to repost Instagram story. Now the only way that you can have an option of repost on your Instagram is that you need to have been tagged in on a particular story. Now when you open up a story you're tagged in, you will see an option of add this to your story. This option only shows up when you are tagged in a particular story. You can easily tap on it and the story directly adds up story section on your account. Now you can tap on your story and add it. But if you haven't been tagged in any of the stories and you still want to repost it, the only way that you can do it is you need to take a screenshot of it, and then you'll need to open up your story and select the screenshot that you just took, and then you can post it this way. That's the only way that you can do it if you're not tagged in a particular story. So that's how you can repost Instagram stories. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.